Good day, traders. As you saw today, I gave you a little bit of an intro. Ha ha ha. Please watch the video till the end and do subscribe, Danko.
Gents. So yeah, before we get into the video, please do subscribe, comment, share, whatever. So yeah, for now we're gonna be focusing on support and resistance actually. I'm basically going to show you how to trade using support and resistance actually. So as you can see on my left, I have a support, right? So I'm gonna explain what's happening, how support works and how whatever. Yeah, so support is just a level. This thing right here, it's a level. So support works on how the market actually reacts. So as you can see, the market came from this point and then it pushed up and then it rejected. When it came to this point right here, it rejected. That's our first rejection, and then the market pushed back down, came back, and then it rejected again. So basically what's happening, every time the market comes to this level, it rejects and it's like forced to reverse. So now you know on your support, when the market tries to push up and then reach a certain level whereby it gives us multiple rejection, at the end of the day it's gonna reverse. So you can take support level as like your sign as a reversal pattern. So as you can see, the market pushed up and rejected, came back, pushed up again and rejected, came back, rejected, and then gave us some sort of a double top, and then we knew okay, now we are reversing. So what you're gonna do is that every time the market comes to this point, you're gonna look to take your entries. So the market pushed up and rejected, this was your time to take an entry. Let's say you missed it, okay, it's cool, and then goes back down and then comes back. As soon as it comes back again, as you can see, it created a double top. This is your confirmation. First confirmation, the market came and rejected at the same area whereby it rejected previously. So as the market comes back, that's when you're gonna take your opportunity, selling opportunity. You're just gonna put your stop loss above your support, and then yeah, you take your entry, then boom, you ate. Same thing with your resistance. It's quite the opposite. Support, you only see it when the market is bullish, and then resistance, you only see it when the market is bearish. As you can see, the market pushed down and then rejected at this level, and then pushed back up, came back, rejected, gave us some sort of double bottom, and then pushed back up. So as you can see, same thing happened, just like our previous whatever support. So as you can see, the market came back. This is where you're gonna take your opportunity to enter and put your stop loss below your resisted level. As simple as that, my friend. Every time the market gives us some multiple rejection, you draw your resistance. I'm still gonna show you on the real chart though. So one thing about support and resistance, you have to know that support usually becomes a resistance, and resistance becomes a support. So let me show you an example fast before. As you can see, first example, support becoming a resistance, right? As you can see, the market pushed up and then rejected at this level, came back down, rejected again, came back. Okay, cool. What we usually see, and the market, if it comes back to this level, you're gonna take your entries and sell. But what happened this time? That's why it's very important to wait for your confirmation, like get like something like double top or something. So as you can see right here, it didn't reject as we thought like it's gonna reject. It broke out. As you can see, this is a breakout. It broke our level, our support level. It broke out and then came back to retest this area. It pushed up and came back to retest and gave us some sort of a double bottom, that's when we confirm okay, now the market is gonna push up. So every time the market rejects it a couple of times and then breaks out, that's when you're gonna confirm okay, now our support is no longer a support, it is a resistance. Now we're looking to buy, we're not looking to sell, because the market didn't reject, it pushed up. Instead of giving us a double top, it broke out and then gave us a double bottom and then pushed up. I hope you do understand, but okay, I'm still gonna show you this thing on a chart. Same thing as resistance becoming a support level, as you can see. I'm sorry Bafethi if I'm being fast, but I hope you do understand. If you don't understand, you just have to watch the video over and over again until you get it, and I will advise you to get some notes, take some notes. Actually, I would recommend you to like make some notes every time you learn something. Okay, as you can see, the market pushed came from this point and then pushed down up until here, and then it rejected when it came here, right? And then gave us another rejection, so as you can see, the market gave us multiple of rejections. So now this becomes our resistance level. We now know that okay, every time the market comes, it rejects and then it push up. So the market it came back down, but then it didn't reject, it broke out, gave us a breakout, guys. So after a breakout, eventually the market is gonna come back. Every time it breaks out, it's gonna come back for a retest. So this is what happened. The market broke out and then gave us a retest, gave us some confirmation, a double top, showing okay, the market is now going to reverse. It's not gonna go up, but it's gonna continue going down. As you can see, this was a bearish momentum. So it's a thing of this thing, it's just giving you an opportunity to enter. Let's say you couldn't enter yourselves right here, and then you wait for a market to play around. It gave us a drop and then it consolidated and then it broke out, gave us a retest. Then that's when you're gonna jump in. As soon as the market gives you a retest, and then you're gonna put your stop loss above your zone, and then you're gonna take a profit wherever you wanna take it. So yeah, it's as simple as that. That's how support and resistance works. You don't have to get too much information about it. You getting too much information in this industry will kill you. You don't have to know a lot, you just have to know a few. But then one thing for sure, you can't use support and resistance as your like main tool. You have to use it with other strategies like pure price action, SMC or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I took this trade. Okay, Lana, as you can see, we're currently waiting for the market to come to this point and then come back for a retest, give us some sort of a double bottom and then push up. As you can see, this is our zone. So let me go to USD card and show you how I got this trade. I'm gonna screen record and show you my entries and everything, but for now I'm just gonna show you how I got this entry, right? So let me just remove drawings and show you OT how do you use support and resistance. So first things first, you want to go to your weekly time frame. And then in those yenza cut. Okay, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna identify where the market touched and then reversed. Okay, let me just say you're gonna identify if it's a bullish market, you're gonna identify your higher high, higher low. If it's a bearish, you're gonna identify your lower high, lower lows. So currently, as you can see, this is very much bullish. Like it's very much bullish, basically going up, as you can see. Then but then overall we are in a rejection phase, but this part right here, it's like it's going up, you know, it's bullish. So in those years, you will your current low, this is your current low, and then your current high, this one. So these horizontal lines now will act as your support and the resistance, because as you can see, the market came back here and then rejected, this is a pure rejection. As you can see, it rejected. So this whole horizontal line now acts as your support level, resistant level. And then this one, as you can see, another rejection, it came back up and then rejected. So this now acts as your support level. So let's just say, as you can see, the market just gave us a bullish engulfing candlestick. If you know your candlestick, then you know this is a bullish engulfing candlestick. So let's just say this happens, right? Market pushes up and then comes, rejects right here, and then comes back, and then further push up, as you can see. So we had a nice support. Every time the market came here, rejected, there was a nice support. So the market finally breaks out. After breaking up, comes for a retest and then further pushes up. So yeah, let's just scale into our lower time frame. Let's go to like our 4-hour, no, our daily, and see what's happening. Let me remove this thing. Yeah, why not? Yeah, as you can see. So what I see, Uguti, the market came up and then rejected at this level. So this now acts as our support.
The cam is low, dog.
I bet Tinsha isn't this fast. Yeah. So as you can see, this now acts as our support level. So as I said, you don't have to use support and resistance as your main tool. So for me, I use pure price action. So I use trend lines most of the time. So I see Uguti Lana, we have like a nice trend which just broke out. You see, broke out. Let me clone it fast. You see. So another thing that I see, Uguti, we have this level right here. I'll show you, Uguti, why we have this level. So as you can see, the market pushed all the way down and rejected at this point. As soon as it rejected, it pushed back up, came back, gave us a fake out, and then pushed back, and then came back and hit this resistance. And then you would expect the market to come and retest this level, but then it broke out. As soon as it broke out, it has to come back here and reject around here, because this is a support level. So every time the market comes here, it has to reject unless if it breaks through. So if it rejects, now we know Uguti, the market has to come back down here and retest this level, then further push up. As simple as that. I hope I'm making sense. Yeah, let me get it. So yeah, push to our 4-hour. Okay, now I have to show you how I got that entry, right? So the market was around about here. The time I analyzed this thing, the market was around about here at this level. So I saw over to the market gave us a breakout, guy. The market gave us a young breakout, and then it pushed all the way up and then rejected at this level. And as you can see, Buffett, it didn't just reject out of nowhere. It didn't just reject. As you can see, it has like a support. There's a support level, as you can see. You see, multiple of rejections. Now it came back and rejected again. As soon as it broke out, it came back and rejected again. And then Yenzeni gave us a retest. As soon as it gave us a retest, it pushed up. It really pushed up. So this is you. As soon as I saw this retest, I got this entry around about here, and then my target is here. As simple as that. And if you use candlestick, you can see good. You can tell this is a bullish engulfing candlestick. If you want me to make a video explaining rejection candlestick pattern, please do comment down below. As I am thinking of making like a playlist of like everything that I know about forex, beginners edition though. So everything that I know about forex, I'm gonna make like a playlist and make videos. So if you do wanna see that, please subscribe, like, and then comment. Otherwise, yeah, this is it. Danko.
It is what it is.